Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to mask image in photopea. Let's get started. See this text, go to file, open and place your image, right click, rasterize. Then create a layer mask. Select the brush tool, use black color to hide and use white color to show. Example, right click, use soft around. And hide, opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.